Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Another bag, another fun grab bag special. Okay, this one I think is going to be a good one because I believe this is a bag with puppets. And I'm a puppety puppet guy, so I think this is going to be great. This was $3. This was at a Catholic charity, a St. Paul or Saint something. They're in my town, and they are great because they have some cool stuff. But this one is a puppet. Look at this. This is a dream puppet made to love, made to hug. And it's, let's see, Dream Lusa? Dream Lusa. Okay. So will my hand fit inside? I don't know. But there are, oh, look at that. Oh, it is literally a glove puppet where you put your fingers in there and you're an octopus or a squid going backwards. And it can grab a hold of things and hug. In fact, you can hug. Oh, look at that. That is cool. This is awesome. This is actually a very fun way to communicate. Hi there, I am an octopi. Oh yeah, look at me. I only have 8 tentacles that you can see, but that's okay. Look at that. Hello there. Okay, so there's a puppet and I love it. I love it. This is worth $3 to me right there. Just that one there. So let's keep him there. Now, here's oh, I think the whole bag is full of puppets. Yes. I am so lucky on this one because I'll tell you what, this is great. In fact, here is the same brand, Dream Lusa, I have, my eyes aren't that great. I need to get, like, these are magnifying glasses, but I can't see. It's really tiny. It could be Dream L USA. So that could be. Okay, so this one is, oh yeah, look at this. It's a lobster. Hi, look at me. I'm a lobster. I've got claws on my hand. And these claws are pinchers. You do not want to get near my pinchy claw hands. Just like that. Yo, 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 don't touch my claws. Yeah, just like that. Hey, that's pretty cool. I can't rap, but that's all right. So there is there's a theme going here too. Wait a second. It gets better. It gets better. I'm telling you. It's the same brand. Same brand, and it's a little snug on my hand. But I'll tell you what, if I force it in there, it's fine. Okay, so there, I'm a starfish.